To cancel a flight ticket on Expedia, start by navigating to the homepage, where you'll find various sections at the top, including options to change your language, list your properties, access support, view trips, check notifications, and manage your profile. To initiate the cancellation process, click on the support section, which will direct you to a page with available help articles. From there, select flights and then more, followed by cancel your flight, which will take you to an article providing guidance on the cancellation process. It's essential to review the airline's rules and restrictions in your itinerary to understand the policies and any associated fees for flight cancellation. To proceed with the cancellation, go to the Trips section, select Cancel Flight, and follow the on-screen instructions. The process is relatively straightforward, and once you've completed the necessary steps, your flight will be cancelled.